What is time without love? What is love without time? What's the highest mountain line without a valley nestled at its feet? What's a river without a bed to guide its flow to where it should head? What I am without you? What is life without love? Where it's be with all the time? Time to think about love. We hardly had that time to share.